Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can start making money with high ticket dropshipping. So take for example, looking at the product on my screen here. Now this is a shelf, and this shelf is going to cost you over $7,000, and you can actually retail this shelf for over $10,000. Now let's do a quick calculation and see what your profit is going to look like. All right, so I'm going to come over to my calculator here, then I'm going to minus, so let's minus 10,165 minus 7,006. All right, so as you can see now, the profit from this product is going to be $2,542. all right, so you're going to be making a profit of over $2,000 from a single sale of this shelf. All right, so this is what high ticket dropshipping look like. So the normal dropshipping business is like you importing product from AliExpress, and the price or the cost of the product on AliExpress could be around $1, and you can resell the product on your Shopify store for $25, and you make a profit of around $24. So that is the general dropshipping model that people are used to. But when you are dropshipping high ticket dropshipping, now the cost of the product is going to be very expensive, and your profit margin is going to be high margin because what you are selling is a very expensive product. Just like the normal dropshipping model, you don't have to buy the product upfront with your money. You're still going to be making the purchase of the product with your customer money. All right, so when you're going to be buying the product from your supplier, it's going to be after the customer must have made a payment for the product on your Shopify store. So this is basically how the high ticket dropshipping model looks like. All right, so for you to get started, you need to have a Shopify store. All right, so if you are yet to have a Shopify store, I'm going to add a link to Shopify at the description of the video. So just go there, create an account with Shopify. All right, so it's going to give you access to the 30 days trial that is going to cost you just $1 for your first month. So once you have your Shopify store, the next thing you want to do now is to start importing product to your Shopify store and start promoting product on your Shopify store. So for the supplier website, I'm going to be recommending Spocket as our high ticket dropshipping supplier. So what you want to do is you want to create an account with Spocket. If you don't have an account with them already, I'm also going to add a link at the description of the video. So just go to the description of the video, click the link there, and create an account with Spocket. So once you've created your account, what you want to do is to log into your Spocket account. So I'm going to click on login now to log into my Spocket account. So here I'm going to click on continue with Google so I can log into my account. All right, so as you can see, I've just logged into my Spocket account, and this is where we're going to be getting our high ticket dropshipping supplier. So what you want to do once you log into your Spocket account is you want to come over here, then you want to scroll down, then click on sort by relevance. So once you click on sort by relevance here, you're going to see all the options. So they have low to high, and they have high to low. So they have newest, and they have by shipping time. So this means that you can search product by the shipping time of the product, and you can search product that are recently added to Spocket catalog. All right, so since what we are looking for is high ticket dropshipping supplier, so what you want to do is you want to come over here, then click on search by high to low price. So when you click on high to low price, it's going to bring out all of the high ticket products on the platform. So looking at the first one here, so the first one here is going to cost you $28,800 for listing, and you can retail the product for over $38,000. all right, so looking at other ones here, we have the one of $25,000, and you can also retail around $34,000. So you could just come over here, then search for the product you want to list to your Shopify store. So if you scroll down, you're going to see lots of products they have on the platform. So this is the one I used an example earlier that you can actually sell and make a profit of over $2,000 from. All right, so another thing you want to take into consideration is where they will be shipping the product from. So looking at this, they're going to be shipping this product from Canada. So as you can see, it says ships from Canada. So if you want to choose based on location, what you want to do is you also want to check where they will be shipping the product from. So if you're going to be selling to the US, it's going to make sense for you to get supplier from the US. But when you click on this, so for you to know more details about the product, you can actually click on it and it's going to redirect you to the product page. So looking at the product page here, as you can see, it says ship from Canada. All right, so if you scroll down here, you're going to see how long it's going to take for them to process the product. So it's going to take them just 1 business day to process the product, and for them to ship the product, it's going to take 4 to 7 business days for them to ship the product. And if you are selling to worldwide, it's going to take 15 to 21 business day. So the normal standard shipping is going to be $50. All right, so and worldwide shipping is going to be $100. All right, so this is basically where you can know more details about the product. All right, so the cost of the product is $7,623 and you're going to retail it for over $10,000. So your sale on this is going to profit you over $2,000 from just a single sale. So if you are making $2,500 from just a single sale, and in a month you are able to sell 10, so let's just calculate how much your profit is going to look like. So let me just come back to my calculator here, and let's say the profit is 2,542 and you are able to sell 10 in a single month. So I'm just going to multiply this by 10. All right, so let's see how much your profit is going to be. All right, so in a month you're going to be doing a profit of over $25,000 with high ticket dropshipping product. So this is basically how you can start high ticket dropshipping business and make crazy amount of money. All right, so like I said, I'm going to add a link to Shopify and Spocket at the description of the video, so you can just go there and check them out. So if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are yet to subscribe to the YouTube channel, please subscribe so you can get more videos like this. All right, so thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.